My name is Sastra Sai Utpala. My school name is Vibjor Kids.
I'm studying in
I'm studying in senior KGA. My story name is Three Little Pigs. Once upon a time, there lived three little pigs with their mother in the pig's stony house. One day, the mother told three little pigs to go out and see your your fortune, see the world. Then the three little pigs say, "Yes, we will go." Then she packed up the food and give it to them. Then they start walking. They're walking, they became tired. Then third pig told, "Let's take a rest here." Then they all sat take rest. And after 5 minutes, they waked up. Then they want to go and build the house. They don't know how to build a house. The first pig saw the man holding the straws with the second pig and third pig. Then the first pig say, "Farmer, can you give these straws? I want to build my house." Then the farmer told, "Yes, I will give you." Then he gave to the pig. Then he built the house, and he told to the first pig and second pig to build the house. Then they told yes. Then first pig was living happily in the house. Then second pig saw the man holding the sticks. Then the second pig told that man, can I take these sticks? I want to build my house. Then the man told, "Yes, you can take." Then the pig take. Then the second pig also take, and she build the house and tell the third pig to build the house. Then the third pig say yes. Then the third pig start walking. Then again he was walking, and he saw one sticks and straws going in the lorry. Then he didn't ask for them that. Then he went more far. Then he saw one man holding the bricks. Then the third pig told, "Man, can I take these bricks? I want to build my house." And man told, "Sure, you can. Yes, you can take." Then the third little pig took and built his house, and he living happily in the house. In the evening, one bad wolf was walking. Then the bad wolf saw one house. Then he looked in the window. Then he saw one pig. Then he knocked the door, knock, like that. Then the pig said, "Who are you? Please let me in, pig, please." Then the pig said, "No, I'll not let you in." Then the wolf got angry. The bad wolf got angry, and he huffed and puffed and blew his house. Then the second pig, first pig was scared. Then he was running. The bad wolf goggled him. Then he was walking again. He saw one stick's house. Then he knocked the door. Knock, 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 knock. Please let me in, pig. Then the pig told, no, I'll not enter you in, because the bad wolf will come, he told. Then the wolf got angry and he huff and puff and blow his house. Then the second little pig told, oh no, this is only the wolf. Then he started running. Then the wolf goggled up the second pig also. Then he was knocking and he saw one house with bricks. He knocked the door like this. Knock, 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 knock. Then the wolf said, please let me in, pig. Then the pig said, no, I'll not enter you, because the bad wolf will come and eat me. Then the wolf got angry and he huff and puff and blow his house. Again he cannot blow his house. Then he huff and puff and he blow his house. Again he cannot blow. Then he saw one ladder and he climbed the ladder and go inside the chimney. Then the third pig was seeing. Then he thought, my God, I should put very hot water. Then he put hot water. Then the wolf was slip in the chimney and fall in the hot water. Then the wolf got badly hurt and he ran to the forest and he never came back. Then that third pig was living happily in that house. I pen.